Good morning, y'all. I've been in a very reflective state of mind today, and I woke up early. I've been just kind of tackling the day, and in doing so, I've been thinking about the year and kind of how far we've come thus far, and that got me thinking about my 2018 manifesto. If you don't know, I make a manifesto every single year. I made one in 2017. I made one this year. I'm going to make one next year and every year going forward. A lot of people make resolutions, and these resolutions often fizzle out before the end of the month in January, which is sad. You know, you have this goal, you have this vision, you have this projectile where you want your life to go, and it falls short of that. These manifestos are more than a resolution to me. They're like an oath almost. Like, this is who I am going to be this year. Watch me become it. And my 2018 manifesto was starvation. That was the theme. I like themes. A lot of people say, like, they're hungry for the win. They're hungry for this. They're hungry for that. I wanted to be freaking starving. Like, I wanted to attack my business, my life, my relationships, my training with a sense of urgency of starvation. And that's what my manifesto was. And I reflect back on what all we've accomplished this year, being mid-October now. And I'm proud. I'm proud of it. You know, when the year started, Deeper State Keto was not even a thing. I wasn't working with Matt and Meg at Keto Connect. That's up and running. That's helped a lot of people figure out how to get on top of their compositional goals. Keto Brick wasn't even a thing. That didn't start until March. And at that, it was just like an infancy. This warehouse with the potential to build a gym in it, and the commercial kitchen space we have, like, all of this is brand new. We didn't have any of this, and this is going to allow us to grow into something much bigger in years going forward. And I'm proud of that. I'm proud of those three big pillars. I mean, those are pivotal moments in my life path, and I don't ever want to be satisfied, but I can say that I'm content with what we've done thus far. But I'm still starving, y'all. I'm still going to be attacking with intensity. But I'm proud of how far we've come. And, you know, a lot of people being mid-October now, they've totally forgotten their 2018 resolutions, and they're thinking about what they're going to do in 2019. There's still a quarter left of this year, y'all. There's still time to make and be the person that you wanted to at the beginning. Don't ever, like, drop off and just feel that it's lost, it's forgotten, it's too late. Like, it's never too late. Like, figure out what you want to be, figure out who you want to become, and then work towards it tirelessly, day in, day out, period. And for me now, being in like this reflective state, looking back at the 2018 manifesto, I feel confident in saying that I've done and am doing what I said I was going to at the beginning of the year, and I'm proud of that. And I intend to use these manifestos as a tool going forward to always kind of hold myself accountable and keep me on the right path. And I encourage everybody to make these. They don't have to make them public, although I think it's beneficial if you do, because then it's like you put yourself out there and you have other people holding you accountable. This is going to be like a short vlog. I'm going to go ahead and link or plug the 2018 manifesto so you can see it, so you can see my words, you can see where I was, you can see my thoughts at the beginning of the year. And I don't know, be reflective yourself. Like, ask your own self these questions. Have you lived and been in line with who you wanted to be and how you wanted to live at the beginning of the year? And if not, you still got a quarter of a year left, so attack it. All right, y'all, enjoy the 2018 manifesto. All right, y'all, 2018 is here. It's upon us. It's in full force. It's January 1st right now. I did a 2017 manifesto, and I really liked that. Whenever I kind of fell off course throughout the year, I could watch that, get back on course. I'll post a video of that in the description if you want to watch that. 2016's theme was discovery of self. That's when I founded Keto Savage. 2017's theme was execution. That's when I doubled down on Keto Savage. 2018's theme, starvation. You hear people being hungry for that win, hungry for that success. I'm not hungry, I'm starving, and I'm gonna give it everything I've got to a whole freaking another level. I'm about to attack 2018 with the kind of intensity that I attack my competition preps. But I'm not just going to do it in my training or my nutrition. I'm going to do it in my business, in my networking, my relationships. Everything is going to get that kind of intensity. I'm waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning every single day of 2018 because there's no excuses. I'm not going to look back on the year and be like, I wish I would have put in more time, more work, more effort. That will not come out of my mouth because there will be no more that I can put in because I'm going all in. That's an oath, okay? That's a promise. That's my manifesto. When you find your passion and it has legs, when it's proven that there's interest around it, as there obviously is interest around a ketogenic lifestyle right now, and my brand is kind of growing and it's working, it's paying my bills, I'm not gonna sidestep anything. I'm not gonna, hold back at all. I'm going all in. 2018 is gonna lay the groundwork and build the foundation for the rest of my life, and I'm not gonna look back on it and wish that I'd done more, because that will be impossible. I'm starving, people. I'm starving, and I'm gonna attack this year like you ain't never seen before. It's kind of scary to think about for me, because I've had that kind of intensity towards things in the past, and it gets dangerous. It's hard for me to draw lines in certain places, like what's safe to go to or not, And I don't want to play it safe and second guess myself. There's gonna be times where I fail in 2018. There's gonna be times where I make mistakes, but it's gonna be because I'm putting forth the effort and trying, and I can't regret that. I'll learn from it and leverage it going forward. But 2018 is going to be unleashed, and I'm excited. And all I can say is that for you, if you're going into this year and you have regret of previous years, you make your resolutions. Like, resolutions are bullshit, okay? They're lost, they're forgotten in the first month. Don't make resolutions. Look at what you want. Look at what you're capable of. Double down on it. Play for the long game, and don't look back. Look back and reflect enough to learn from it and use it going forward. But don't look back in a negative light and wish you'd done something differently. If you want to do something differently, go freaking do something differently. Like, I've learned enough about what I've done thus far with this brand and this lifestyle to know that it's got potential. And I'm about to double down on that potential. I can't even put into words what I'm about to do. It's just gonna form into something. And 2018 is the year that it's gonna happen. So get ready. I'm excited. I'm excited to show you what I'm capable of. 2018's unleashed. I'm starving, people. So get ready. I'm about to get fed. I'll catch y'all later.